And we're playing Risk of Rain again, since I'm not actually going to use that other one that fucking corrupted. Even though it was a really good run, it's so corrupted.
It was a great run.
Yeah. Fucking... I don't know why it keeps corrupting like that right whenever we're, like, getting into the good shit. I still say I could have taken all 140 enemies with my sniper.
Took them all with your sniper? I don't think you could.
I think I could.
What do you do?
I got a swab.
Is that just a sword?
Got a dash.
So you got a sword, you got a dash. What else you got?
I got that. And apparently I'm Yasuo.
Nice. I am, viable. Oh, snap. I'm looking at you, Yasuo mains. You garbage.
You say to the, most fucking banned person. I just wish he did more damage.
He probably scales up pretty hard.
Yeah.
How much HP do you have?
158 at level 2.
Nice, you have 8 more than me. Well, I know who's gonna be tanky. The melee character who is... You are half my size.
You're a giant robot. I'm a guy with a laser sword. Target the nearest enemy, quickly attacking them for 6 times 110% damage. You cannot be hit for the duration.
Of what? Your ult?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I cook delicious meals. You can take that guy. Nice.
Oh, that is cool.
What?
If I hit an enemy with my dash, I can dash up to 3 times.
Nice. I can throw cleavers.
And each dash does, it stuns them.
Nice. I throw cleavers. Guess who's gonna be tanky this game? Nice. You're 1 item on your way to getting the chef.
Is that the goal? Is that the goal of this playthrough? Get me the chef?
Yeah, that's what we're working on.
Hell yeah.
But you need the fungus, the egg, the bitter root, the meat, and the foreign fruit.
Nice.
So you're only a fifth of the way there. Okay, you stand down here, because I'm going to activate that imp shrine.
Yeah, 2 of them fell.
I am not over there.
Nope, not gonna be able to catch him.
Dash!
Nope. I don't have a dash that reaches that far. I know he might not be, the best character, but...
He's neat.
The weeb in me likes him.
The weeb.
And don't get me wrong, there's not much weeb there. Not a very weeb person, but...
You're talking to a guy who just spent the last, 4 days watching JoJo's.
And that's what I'm talking about. As compared to you, I'm not a weeb at all, but... Alright, did you use the totem?
Yeah.
Were you able to get it?
No, I couldn't catch the last one.
That's
it was
why
just
I
out
was
of my...
say you should have waited for me, because I would have been waiting down there for it to fall.
No. It was up there. I killed all the ones that were coming to the left. I torched him. It's the one that was going to the right. There's another one up here.
Nice. Let me get up there and I'll help you. Or I'll do it. I don't know how much cash
Whoa,
you got.
bitter root. Bitter root, get up here.
I am trying. Okay. I'm a short ninja, okay?
Can you double jump?
With my W.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. Meat chunks.
Meat chunks.
Now we're cooking with fire. Oh my god, it did it again!
They
have no health, and I can't kill them.
I fell all the way down.
Did you really?
Yeah, I can't grab ropes with while I'm using my oil slick. But I also move at like 3 times speed when I'm using it. So it's like a balancing act.
So I have a good amount of damage mitigation because each of those dashes is also a dodge.
Nice. It's a snow globe! I love snow globes.
Is that the one where you hit it and it, yeah.
Freezes randomly.
Yeah.
I am done using shrines forever.
What is that?
Because of this one.
AFK. Side note, I hate head stompers. I played a game where out of 10 items in a row, 7 were head stompers. Fuck head stompers.
Why are you upsetty?
Dude, sick.
I have 1 item.
That's how I felt last game.
Being the DPS is hard. I love explosions. Yeah.
I know for a fact that there are still shrines that I missed downstairs. So
Same. That's a nice item you just got there.
I think I need this item.
What does it look like?
Egg.
Yes, you need that for the chef.
I hear all those failed attempts at the shrine there, buddy.
This one's a 79. I'm gonna go hit up the 28.
Alright.
I'm not gonna hit up the 28.
You need the fucking dice, man.
Yeah, I do. I have a boxing glove, a mortar, and a missile. Hey, look, it's my favorite time of the year. Shrine time.
You definitely do a lot of damage.
Oh, yeah. The chef does damage, that's for certain. You need that. That's like the best regen item for you.
Because I am a one with the nature.
Nope, because you get a lot of things from it, because you kill a lot.
Okay. So I could get the gnarled root or the time stopper.
The gnarled root.
Okay.
Bitter root is max HP. Oh, well, that was quite the fall. Hey,
Nice.
I have just enough for that 98 chest up there.
Nice.
Nice, nice, nice. Nice combo.
Mega nice. Super nice. Ultra nice.
Nice. Guardian Heart. Are you able to get over here?
Yeah, I can get over there. What's a Guardian Heart?
It's the shield.
Oh, nice.
Nice, nice, nice.
Ah, I barely missed it. Did you go all the way up to get over there?
I went up one more level.
To the 69?
Yeah. Above the 69.
Nice. What's that do?
You know that, like, wave attack they do?
No.
Hold on. As soon as I'm safe enough, I'll show you. Nice. Hold on. I'm trying to spawn it. Oh wait, there we go. He'll do it. I'm healing 1 sec. I'll knock him out
I
of
guess
it.
we're fighting here!
That?
Yeah?
That's what that item does. On and on hit. I need regen, like real quick. I'm gonna activate the teleporter.
Go for it.
Oh, the poor soul.
Oh no, I just realized something. Each of my auto attacks goes through its, or hits more than one piece of
I got the dice.
it. Hey, there you go.
I'm just gonna sit in my war banner.
I have one of those too, but they don't like to come to me.
I guess they like being murdered too much.
Hey, my drone's dead over here if you want to come get it.
Nice. Well, let's figure out what's in the box. Fungus.
Do you need it?
Yep.
Third teddy bear.
I could use more DPS items, game.
They just want you to have the tankiest tank possible.
Well, it seemed like when I was playing selfishly, I got a lot more damage items.
Yeah? It's funny because it seemed like when you were playing selfishly, I didn't get anything.
I'm dead. I am dead. They just have a lot of missile launchers. And I have nothing. I have no regen.
Slowly shoot them while I run away.
I like the healing they're getting. Well, you were a tank.
Yeah, but we didn't really get any health items.